Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to send GIFs on Messenger Facebook. So now without any further delay, let's begin with these steps. So first of all, launch Messenger application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now simply tap open any conversation that you wish to send GIFs to. So for instance, I just launched this conversation. Now you can see a message box at the bottom. Now just beside it, tap on the smiley face emoji. Now after you tap on that option, you can see other various options on your screen. Now just at the right hand corner, you can see the option of GIF. Tap on it. Now, once you are here, you can see various GIFs according to various emotions and occasions. You can also go to the search bar and search for a specific GIF that you want to send. For instance, I'm just going to search for happy. Now you can see that GIFs related to this emotion have been appeared. Now you can select any of these GIFs that you want to send to your contact. So for instance, I'm going to tap on this GIF right here. Now you have to wait for a while. And you can see that your GIF has successfully been sent. So that's how easy these steps are. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.